Are you looking for the fastest way to learn cybersecurity on your own? Well, lucky for you, there are plenty of online resources that can help you become a qualified cybersecurity professional in record time. In this video, I'll break down the top skills, websites, and training to help you along the way. And if you stick around until the end, I'm going to reveal the one piece of paper that 6 out of 10 employers ask for when hiring cybersecurity professionals, and how you can start getting paid $2,500 per day as a qualified cybersecurity professional. But before I reveal everything, please like and subscribe to the channel. It's really gonna help me with the algorithm so that I can continue to grow. Done that? All right, let's go. Starting with the basics. There are 5 basic areas that any cybersecurity professional needs to have in mind for almost any job. First off, you should cover the basics. That includes familiarizing yourself with different software, data, and networks. Because different companies will be using different technology, it's important that you understand how different operating systems work, instead of just focusing on one. Also, cloud environments are a major component of cybersecurity. You should understand what private cloud, public cloud, hybrid clouds, multi-clouds, and high-performance computing are. The next thing to know is the different types of data. Here, we are talking about customer data, personal data, internal data, confidential data, and restricted data. You'll need these if you want to know how to set up secure systems. Next up is one of the most important fields, and that's networks. Firewalls, VPNs, intrusion prevention, and data loss prevention are just some of the network security systems that are important. But there is a whole range of networks that cover different parts of cybersecurity. The deeper you dig, the more you'll find. Finally, if you are looking to move into the industry, it can be good to get to know some of the cybersecurity laws in the country you want to work in. They vary from country to country, and places like the European Union have plenty of regulations that your employers might expect you to be familiar with. Online resources. If all of that sounds like a handful, don't worry. These days, you can learn basically everything related to cybersecurity from the comfort of your own home. edX has courses run by MIT and Harvard that will take you from beginner to expert just like a university course. Another website is Coursera, and their introductory course is a top-ranked entry-level course that will cover all of the basics. The advantage of Coursera is that there are plenty of free courses, so you can give it a go, dip your toe in before committing. If you are really serious about cybersecurity and ready to spend some serious money, you might want to consider NextGen T. The cybersecurity specialization will give you 22 weeks of intensive training from professionals in the industry. The course costs up to $12,500, but there are some options. You can instead choose to pay nothing up front and pay 10% of your salary once your future job earns you more than $40,000. They are so confident that you'll find a job that after 7 years, any remaining debt will be forgotten. Finally, there's Station X. You see, cybersecurity professionals are in such high demand that companies are offering great salaries to attract new talent and even better salaries to those advancing their skills. Some cybersecurity professionals are now charging $2,500 per day. Yes, high demand means great paychecks. So what does the global shortage mean for you? It means opportunity. If you join the VIP membership at Station X Cybersecurity School, you'll get unlimited access to all the training material you need to become a highly paid cybersecurity professional. And if you check out the link in the description below, you can sign up today for a big discount. Now, back to the video. Get certified. While it's great to study on your own and build a solid understanding, sometimes the paperwork helps. 59% of all cybersecurity positions require at least one certification. If you just want to know how cybersecurity works, then ignore this part. But if you really want to work in the industry, listen up. The gold standard in the industry is 5 letters. CISSP. It stands for Certified Information System Security Professional. And when armed with this, you'll be a cybersecurity professional in no time. Once again, you are going to have to cough up a bit of money to get it. But if you've already done all of the hard work, you don't want a piece of paper holding you back from a career. It costs $699 to register for the exam, but you have to get a score of at least 700 out of 1,000. But we have to warn you, it's pretty grueling. The exam lasts for 6 hours and includes some advanced and complicated questions. So, you are going to want to make sure you are as prepared as possible. Before taking it, you can find practice exams, forums, study groups, and communities to help you ace the test. So, are you considering moving into the cybersecurity industry? Or are you already working in cybersecurity and looking for a way to climb up the career ladder? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more cybersecurity content like this.